You're enjoying a refreshing drink, and as you glance at your glass, you notice the ice cubes floating on top. Have you ever wondered why? Let's dive into the fascinating science behind floating ice cubes. To understand why ice floats, we need to talk about density. Density is the measure of how much mass is packed into a given volume. Water is special. When it freezes, its molecules form a crystalline structure, spreading out and creating empty spaces. This makes ice less dense than liquid water. Hydrogen bonds are the reason for this unique structure. These bonds lock water molecules into place when freezing, forcing them apart slightly. Here's where density meets buoyancy. An object floats if it's less dense than the liquid it's in. Ice, being less dense than water, is pushed upward by the water's buoyant force. This floating property of ice plays a crucial role in nature. Ice forms on the surface of lakes and oceans, insulating the water below and creating habitats for countless species. Did you know the same principle applies to massive icebergs? About 90% of an iceberg is underwater, but it still floats because it's less dense than seawater. Ever wondered why ice cubes crack in your drink? It happens when they're exposed to sudden temperature changes, causing stress in their crystalline structure. This simple property of ice has inspired designs for floating structures, such as Arctic research stations and innovative ship designs. So, next time you see ice cubes floating in your drink, remember, it's not just a quirk of nature, but a remarkable interplay of density, hydrogen bonds, and buoyancy. Cheers to science in everyday life.